Hey there! Today we're talking about NFTs, not as an art or collectibles, but as tools to create passive income. If you've been hearing about NFTs and want to earn from them without needing deep pockets, stay tuned. The first way to earn without NFTs is through NFT staking. Platforms like Binance and Rarible let you stake your NFTs, locking them up in exchange for staking rewards, usually paid in cryptocurrency. Think of it as you're putting digital assets to work while you kick back and earn passive income. Another option is royalties. When you create and sell an NFT, you can set up a royalty percentage, meaning every time it's resold, you get a cut. Imagine selling a digital asset once, and every time it trades hands, you get paid. It's like having an automatic income stream. Lastly, there's NFT lending. Sites like NFTify let you lend out your NFTs to others who pay interest to use them. So you retain ownership but still earn an income. It's a win-win if you're holding valuable NFTs. Each of these strategies lets you earn without constant effort. Drop your questions in the comments, hit that like button, and get started with the links below.